How are you today? Hope you've been enjoying your holiday. This is grade 3 class. And this morning, I want to take you on grammar, English grammar. Yes, today's date, 26th March 2020. And the topic before me is tag questions, or as the case may be, question tag. Yes, I'm very sure that a lot of times when you are playing or discussing with your friends, you've had times when you ask one questions, trying to confirm a kind of information. Look at this. Yes, tag questions, and as the case may be, question tag. Now, look at, we have two types of statements, positive statements and negative statements. In the case of positive statements, that is a statement without that marker, not. The word not. When a statement does not have this word, we refer to it as positive statements. Now look at an example. Ire is beautiful. Yes, look at this statement. Ire is beautiful. That is an example of a positive statement. And the question for you to confirm whether she is beautiful or not is, isn't she? That's a question tag there. Then we have another type of statement which is negative statements. That is when a statement contains the word not. Yes, negative statement. An example is, Peculiar does not like rice. The question to confirm that is, does she? Yes. So you have a little idea about the topic today. So let's continue. What do we refer to as question tag? Tag question or question tag, as the case may be, is used to turn a statement to question. We use this question to confirm the information that has just been given us. So that is what we refer to question tag. So for emphasis, let me write the tag question or question tag is used to turn a statement into a question. It is used to confirm yes, as I was saying to you, if a statement is positive, then the tag question is going to come in negative, whereby you have a positive statement with a negative question tag, and vice versa. If a statement is negative, then you are going to have a positive question tag. Let's have some examples. Yes, example number 1. Positive statement with tag questions. Yes, 1. She is a Nigerian. That's a statement, positive statement. If you observe, look at the statement, she is a Nigerian. In that statement, there is nothing like not. That makes it positive. And so, the question for this type of statement in that question is going to be, isn't she? Isn't she? Let's take another example. They live in London. They live in London. Then, if you look at it, this statement, is it a positive statement or negative statement? This statement is a positive statement, and so it attracts negative question tag. And the question tag is going to be, don't they? Don't they? Let's have another one more. Number 3. Yes, they. It was cold yesterday. It was cold yesterday. A positive statement, then question tag is going to be negative. Wasn't it? Yes. With this, you can see the examples of positive statements attracting negative question tag. Yes. Because of time, let's have examples of negative statements. Negative statements. Negative statement, don't forget, as I told you, negative statement will attract positive question tag or tag question, as the case may be. Yes, negative statements. Now you have we are not late. We are not late. Look at it. What makes it negative is not. And so, negative statement attracts positive tag question. And so our tag question is going to be, we are not late, and we. Another example, she wasn't, in a contracted form, she wasn't at home. She wasn't at home. If you look at it, we have contracted was not. As if I wanted to say she was not at home. And so it will attract positive tag question, which is was she? Another example. Yes, we have people should not go out. Don't forget, because of the outbreak in Nigeria, there is a total lockdown. So people should not go out. People should not go out. Yes. Look at the negative statements. Negative statement attracts positive tag question. And then the tag question is going to be, people should not go out. Should they? Should they? So the question, the concept is that when the statement is positive, it will attract negative tag question. And when the statement is negative, it attracts positive tag question. I hope that is very, very clear. So you can go on and on with so many other examples. So I want us to attempt this exercise. Thereafter, I'm going to direct you to the assignment you are going to submit when you bring them to school. Yes. Number one, they've been to Japan. They've been to Japan. You fill in the tag question. They've been to Japan. Number two, he went to the party last night. Number three, coronavirus is fast spreading. Yes, this set of questions fall under positive statements. Let's have others under negative statement. 4 and 5 will be negative statements. Yes, number 4. We are not going to school. Number 5. You weren't sleeping. You weren't sleeping. Exercise now. Okay, they've been to Japan. So the third question is going to be, because the statement is positive, then it attracts negative question tag. So the question tag now is going to be, haven't they? Yes. Number 2, he went to the party last night. Didn't he? Then number 3, coronavirus is fast spreading. Yes, isn't it? Because coronavirus is non-human. So now number 4 is in negative form. The statement is negative. So we are not going to school. So the question tag is going to be positive. So it's going to be we. Then number 5, you weren't sleeping. A negative statement is going to attract positive tag question. You weren't sleeping. Where were you? So, in summary, we have learned today question tag. And what question tags are used for? They are used to confirm information that has just been passed. You use tag questions to turn a statement into questions. So I believe you have a better understanding on how to use them. Don't forget, when a statement is positive, then it attracts questions that are negative. What makes a statement to be positive or negative is the use of the word not. Don't forget that. So, and when a statement is negative, then it attracts positive tag questions. Thank you. Now, as a part of this teaching, the assignment I'm going to give you is on page 123 of Nigerian Primary English Book 4, exercise 1, number 1 to 8. Make sure you attend to the exercise and submit when you are coming to school. Thank you very much. See you.